Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve x by 3 whole power 6 equals 64 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So x by 3 whole power 6 equals 64. So we can write x by 3 whole power 6 minus 64 equals 0 and 64 I can write it as 2 power 6 equals 0. Now this x power 3 whole power 3 whole square I can write, and this as 2 power 3 whole square equals 0. Now I am going to use the identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So it's x minus 3 whole square minus 2 x minus 3 whole cube minus 2 cube. Similarly, x minus 3 whole cube plus 2 cube equals 0. So first case, when x minus 3 whole cube minus 2 cube equals 0, and second case, x minus 3 whole cube plus 2 cube equals 0. So here again I am using the identity. First, a cube plus b cube, which is equals to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So this gives x by 3 plus 2 times x by 3 whole square minus 2 times x by 3 plus 2 square equals 0. So x by 3 plus 2. So this becomes x square by 9 minus 2x by 3 plus 4 equals 0. So x by 3 plus 2 equals 0. So here x square minus 9 by 2x minus 3 plus 4 equals 0. So first case, x by 3 equal minus 2. So x equal minus 6. Now in this case here, x square, so it will take the LCM. So LCM is 9. So x square minus 6x plus 36 equals 0. So x square minus 6x plus 36 equals 0. So it's a quadratic equation. So a equal 1, b equal minus 6 and c equal 36. So x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So let's put the value x equal minus 6 with negative sign plus minus under root 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 36 by 2. So x equals 6 plus minus under root 36 minus 4 times 36 by 2. So x equals 6 plus minus under root 36, here 1 minus 4 by 2 plus minus under root 36 times minus 3 by 2. So x equals 6 plus minus, this becomes 6 root 3 iota by 2. So if I'll take 2 as common, so it's 3 plus minus 3 root 3 iota. So these are the two values of x and one is here minus 6. So we have three values. Now come and solve x by 3 whole cube minus 2 cube equals 0. So here again I'm using the identity in terms of negative sign. A cube minus b cube equal a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So it's x by 3 minus 2. So this x by 3 whole square plus 2 times x by 3 plus 2 square equals 0. So x by 3 minus 2, x square by 9 plus 2x by 3 plus 4 equals 0. So here x minus 3 minus 2 equals 0 first case. And second, x minus 9 plus 2x by 3 plus 4 equals 0. So this gives x by 3 equal 2 and x equals 6. And second case, same, the LCM is 9. So it's x plus x square, sorry, plus 6x plus 36 equals 0. So x square plus 6x plus 36 equals 0. So again it's a quadratic equation. So x equal minus 6 plus minus under root 6 square minus 4 times 1 times 36 by 2 times 1. So x equal minus 6 plus minus, this gives 36 minus 4 times 36 by 2. So here I'm making this piece. So x equal minus 6 plus minus 36. Here 1 minus 4. If I'll take 64 4 as common, by 2. So x equal minus 6 plus minus, this becomes 6 root 3 iota by 2. If you take 2 as common, so x equal minus 3 plus minus 3 root 3 iota. These are the 6 values of x, that is x equals 6, x equal minus 3 plus 3 root 3 iota, and x equal minus 3 minus 3 root 3 iota, x equal negative 6, and x equal 3 plus 3 root 3 iota, and 3 minus 3 root 3 iota. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.